Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, I just want to focus here on the shorter time frame. Price still undecided. We are dealing still with two bullish scenarios here, as discussed in the last video. So we are dealing with the white scenario, which is the bullish one, in which a fourth wave bottomed on the 13th of January. The move up was an A wave. We had a B wave triangle that might be close to completion, and then a C wave up. And that C wave up could take us above 120K. So this is the latest update here. We talked about that already earlier today on Discord. I've made a slight change there from the previously bullish scenario, which was a 1-2-1-2 setup, to the triangle, because this just is a triangle pattern. So if there is directly bullish trend continuation, it kind of makes sense to consider this as ABC structure. That is now very much in line with the larger time frame. Quick reminder on our daily chart. Let's go to the Bitcoin daily chart. Here we already discussed in previous videos that the move up is likely going to be an ABC structure. Here you can see it. So A, B, C, and whether this is already the A wave, we will have to see. But overall, this has to be a three-wave move. A lot of people ask me, why is the fifth wave, or why is an impulse an ABC structure? That's the thing. It's not an impulse, right? The move up from the August low is an ending diagonal. You can Google that. The subwave structures are three-wave structures. So, but that's just a detail. It's not impulsive. That's the answer. That's also why it's so choppy, right? That's why it's so messy. So the idea is that this is an A wave up in the bullish count, which topped on Monday, the 20th. This is a B wave triangle, which, however, has not broken yet to the upside. A, B, C, D, E. So Trump's presidency so far produced a triangle, and it could break out to the upside. But we need two things to confirm an upside breakout. What is that? From an Elliott Wave point of view, the first degree of confirmation is a break above the so-called D wave high, which is here. It's a swing high from Thursday. That would be a move above 106,900 roughly. And the second and more reliable confirmation is a break above the B wave high. Now it's very similar here. Here we talk about 107,200. So these two highs need to be taken out. That would invalidate the yellow triangle, because there is also a triangle highlighted in yellow, which is slightly different. In this count, we have a wave 1 to the upside, A wave down, B wave triangle, C wave down, and then we could go up. So again, it's bullish or bullish at the moment, these two scenarios, as long as we are holding 92,620. That's the key support for the directly bullish scenarios. Whereas I have to say, because the price could go down all the way down to 92,626, and it wouldn't significantly change the likelihood that the larger degree fourth wave bottomed on the 13th of January. Below that level, it would. All right. Now, the yellow scenario will be further confirmed if the market breaks out below the Thursday low, the D wave low in yellow, so below 101,250. So it's just important, I think, at the moment to be aware of these relevant breakout points. There isn't really much to add to the analysis at the moment. So it is a bit, the market doesn't know itself what it wants to do. So I think it is important to understand that we're still in an overall bullish market, best I can tell. Movements to the downside remain corrective, so overall upside continuation is favored. 92,620 is key support for the bullish scenarios, but in the very short term, I told you about the breakout points. And so far the market is undecided, and the move to the upside, but only if the low is in already, for which there is no evidence. If the low is in, then the C wave up could take us to round about 125K next, and that is very much where my larger degree 130K target lies. And this could be the last rally in this market. I mean, it could be. Not saying it is, but that takes us really, really close to my overall larger degree FIB target for that larger degree wave. Yeah. But we'll talk about that as we as the microstructure develops. For now, we have to pay attention here to the relevant levels, breakout points, and so on. And there is really not much more to add to the analysis at the moment. Patience is key right now. That's really important because, we can't really do much. The market could just continue could continue sideways for a few days, but ideally not. Ideally we're getting close to the completion of this triangle, whether we break down or up. Even if we break down, there is a support area just underneath. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.